Alright, let's start. Question number 1. What's a good age for dating?
See, that you never asked me. You started dating when you were 14.
Yeah, in the 9th grade I started dating.
So what do I say? My kids started dating at the age of 14.
Yeah, I don't know about Muskan.
Yeah, me too. Me too, even
I don't know when
about
she
her.
started, but
Yeah.
I started when I was 14.
Yeah.
But thankfully you never had a problem with it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah. Question number 2. How many people did you date in school/college? So this is pre-dad.
See, there were many boys hitting on me, but I was too scared to get into any kind of a dating relationship because I was scared of Nanu Nani. But yeah, I had a boyfriend before Papa. Just one.
Just one.
Yeah.
What did you do when all these guys were hitting on you?
See, our thing was very different. It was never about just a casual date. Then, we would fall in love. It had to be like about marriage. You people are more like friends and it's different. We accept your dating as well because of that.
Question number 4. What do you think about sleepovers with the opposite genders? Muskan Didi sleeping over with guys or me sleeping over with girls?
See, that though I don't really think that I can accept.
What if we're sleeping in separate rooms?
Oh, that's okay. So that happens when you have your birthday parties. If my Muskan's friends have slept with you.
So then you do accept it.
No, you said in the same room, na?
No. I just mean like
Yeah. Like I said, like you all are, like you can't have 10 boyfriends, right?
I did have 10 girlfriends once.
9 of them would be your friends, right?
Yeah, girls, space, friends.
Yeah.
Next question. What do you think about my drunk parties?
They're disastrous because every time there is something that is broken, ruined, and there is puke all over, which I can't handle.
And it's always my house.
It's always our house. Like even this time for a small get together, my whole wooden flooring, I don't know, it's all spoiled. How is it spoiled? I don't know.
I've seen the birthday vlog, so thankfully when all the mess was made, then the next day you went to the farm.
Yes.
I went to my nani's farm, so she wasn't here to see all the mess, and we had to call Urban Clap to clean all
And
of
that
it.
also I only gave the idea.
Next question. How do you make someone who's gone through a breakup feel better?
That person doesn't deserve you. You're much better. Know your worth. That's all.
Next question. Will you like it if I date a girl who's very good looking but not smart at all? Like 0% brains but 100% beauty.
Now that is for you to decide, na? If you are okay with it, what's my problem?
I will be okay with it.
I don't think you'll choose
I
a girl
don't
like
think
that.
I will. Next question. Did you ever bunk classes in school?
Yeah. All of us would do that.
I've never bunked school.
No,
Told you
not
that I'm.
bunked school, classes in school.
Yeah, class
and
in school.
college, so like how? Like how? So from my own experience, I knew, like in Martyr Day, because it was a convent school, there were so many restrictions that coming to LSR was like full free.
Oh my, you can't do in between. You will take 10 minutes now.
Hi. I will have to now call you back because I'm in the middle of something, but I couldn't just let the phone ring. So we'll speak in a while, please. 15 minutes from now. Okay, sweetheart. Thanks. So yeah, that was about Goa. Like I remember I could relate to myself. I was so scared of my teachers in school and I never bunked my classes. And when I came to LSR, there was full freedom. Like I didn't even care if I went to the class or I told my teacher that I'm leaving the class. So much of a difference. So that's exactly what I felt when I was stopping Muskan Goa because there would be too much of...
You were.
Yeah, Muskan's always been a very responsible girl. Much more responsible than what I was in my school time.
Next question. Do you still think dad is attractive?
Of course, the most attractive man.
Do you think he's still as attractive as he used to be?
More.
Pointless question. I knew you were going to say this.